In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a successful membership website with WordPress. We'll start inside the WordPress site editor so we can shape a compelling homepage that encourages visitors to join. Open your WordPress dashboard and head into the site editor for your homepage template. This view lets you change your global layout without touching code, which is perfect for building a clean, conversion-focused membership experience. On the canvas, click the highlighted area of your header or hero section to select it. Click again to drill into the exact block you want to change. Once the text field is active, type in a clear value proposition, something short and specific that tells visitors what they'll get as members. Think benefits first: exclusive content, community access, or ongoing support. Next, move through the other highlighted areas to fine-tune supporting text and your primary call to action button. Keep your subheading concise and helpful, and make your button label action-oriented, like Join Now or Get Access. If a block seems tricky to select, click directly on the highlighted outline or use the breadcrumb at the top of the editor to choose the right level, such as Group, Row, or Button. Once your hero content feels right, center it for balance and readability. Use the alignment control to align the selected block to the center. Centered layouts often convert well on membership sites because they reduce visual friction and draw attention to the CTA. Open the block options for your button or feature set and duplicate it. This is a quick way to create a second call to action or to prepare a space for another membership highlight. Rename the duplicated text so each element has a distinct purpose. For example, one button for Join and another for Learn More. Duplication also helps when you're planning tiers or showcasing key benefits without rebuilding blocks from scratch. When you're happy with the layout and copy, click Save. Saving at this point preserves your changes across the template. Then open the preview and choose View Site to see everything in context. Scan for spacing, legibility, and how the page feels on first load. If something looks off, head back to the editor and adjust before moving on. To test the visitor experience, log out and refresh the public site. This gives you a true non-admin view, which is essential for catching issues with visibility or layout. When you're done, log back in to continue refining. With these fundamentals in place, you've set a strong foundation for a successful membership site. Clear messaging, focused layout, and a streamlined